one thing. I'm gonna be able to come out with it, so it works.
We got a bird stuck in between two windows and we're trying to get it out.
Fine, this will work.
Where is it? It's like behind the... I don't even know how the fuck it got in here. Wait. Oh, I see how it got in. It's like way up high. There's a little gap, but it doesn't seem to realize.
Alright. Where's that block? Which side is it on?
It's on the side you're blocking right now.
Alright, open that quick.
Is it locked?
No, I don't think so. You just gotta have to push those old windows.
Okay. Grab the other... Oh, come on. Go to the other side.
Which side is that?
It's on there. It's
Okay.
probably too scared to come in here.
Pull it up. A little more. Okay. I'll unlock that.
Does this unlock?
Yeah, you gotta push the thing. Oh, watch out.
Okay, yeah. Is there one on the other side too? Yeah, there is. There's gonna be.
Hop over. Hop over.
I mean, we could just grab it.
Ready?
Just land it on my...
Lift it up. Lift it up. Lift it up.
I got it.
Okay.
We could just grab it. Hey, birdie. Its fucking heart's beating like 1,000,000 miles an hour. Its heart's beating like 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Are you taking it outside or looking out here?
I'm gonna take it outside.
Okay.
Yeah. We found a bird.
Oh, wow.
It was stuck in between two windows. Okay. Bye, bird.